This is a dissection of the W950/4 MANN filter. This is the super jumbo donkey dong made in BA filter. It fits on the B6 1.8. It's pretty much the same as the 942.5. I mean, as you might have guessed. Internal cone thingamajig. I'm not sure if the bypass valve looked like this one on the 942.5, but assured they're both the same bypass pressure. So basically, you have a spring mounted inside, and the pressure builds against this button and pushes its way open. It's not terribly easy to push with your finger. I think it's 2.5 bar. I mean, you can depress it, but it's a little bit of a chore. It's got some kind of plastic inner portion towards the bottom. Of course, same old paper. 71 pleats on here, which I think is the same for the 942.5. Inside of the filter looks pretty clean. I don't see any contamination or evidence of sludge buildup or anything. I used the Motul 10,000 mile oil changes, and I probably could go longer. This looks great. I mean, this filter has 10,000 miles on it. It doesn't look like a 10,000 mile oil filter. Of course, it has snow in it. But there she be. This is the 950/4, which is an upgrade due to the fact that it is larger than a 942.5. You have a larger capacity. I think this holds nearly a liter. You know, maybe like 2/3 of a liter just of itself. I wish I had a 2.5 around here. 942.5, I could show you the difference in size. This one's longer and fatter. So there you go. And then this guy sits like this. He sits right there. This guy sits like that. And it goes together like this. That's your filter. That's your standard MANN oil filter. I'm not exactly sure what this piece does. It just sits there. Probably just rests against the base of the filter, I guess. Probably keeps the tension between the body of the filter and the filter element, because the filter element probably just kind of is sandwiched in there, you know, between the bottom of the filter and the top of the filter. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know if they're physically stuck together. But it's a big filter, so it adds capacity. If you want to avoid sludge issues, this is a good upgrade. Won't hurt. I get these on eBay for $10. So, and I've seen some studies done about oil filters, and they found that the OEM filters are always best because the thicker element is actually, or the filter element is always thicker, excuse me.